Okay, lesson 2, vocab. So we have the question, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? And I know I told you before that we don't say the last letter of French words, but if you look at fait-il, we have a consonant, T, and then a vowel. So if there is a consonant and a vowel, then you do say the last letter. I don't know why, you'd have to ask a French person. Quel temps fait-il? What weather is it making? Fait is the verb from the verb faire, which means to make. So what weather is it making? You can explain that to the children or not. Il fait beau, it's nice. Il fait chaud, it's hot. Il fait du vent, it makes some wind, literally translated. Il fait du vent. Il fait froid, it's cold. Il fait mauvais, so we have stormy. Il neige, it snows, so there's no fait for that one, just straight it snows. Il pleut, it rains, and il y a du soleil, it. So il y a just means there is, so il y a du soleil, there is some sun. So interesting how the expressions are different. Then, if we go to slide 3, we have the clothes vocab. So, qu'est-ce que tu portes? Qu'est-ce que tu portes? That's the question at the top of the clothes box there. Qu'est-ce que tu portes? That qu'est-ce que is just at the beginning of French questions, quite often. Qu'est-ce que tu portes? What are you wearing? Un pantalon, trousers. Sorry, that's masculine. Un pantalon. So if you see the a at the beginning, that's a masculine word. Whereas if you see un at the beginning, like une chemise, a shirt, then it's feminine. Une chemise. Une robe, a dress. Une jupe, skirt. Des chaussettes, socks. So des is plural, some. Des chaussettes. Un jean, jeans. Des chaussures, shoes. Un t-shirt. Une ceinture, un manteau, coat. Une écharpe, scarf. So you've got that accent at the beginning, which is making it an e sound, like in the word cafe, which we have in English. So it just makes it an e. Un chapeau, a hat. Okay, and then we've got lunettes de soleil, sunglasses, which is just there because I thought they might want it. Then we have the little people who are talking about what they wear. Je porte, I wear, une robe, a dress, et un chapeau, and a hat. Then the next one says, je porte un jean, une ceinture, un t-shirt, et une écharpe. And I've left off the accent there just because I didn't have it on my keyboard, but perhaps you could correct that for me when you teach it. Then, je porte un manteau, une jupe, des chaussures. So that's the shoes again. Quite helpfully, you might notice that the clothes are generally feminine if they are worn by women, traditionally, and masculine if they are traditionally worn by men. However, it's 2020, so we all know that's not a hard and fast rule anymore. Then we have the weather vocab on slide 4 combined with the wearing clothes vocab, and we say quand, which means when. So quand, pick a weather, il y a du soleil, je porte une écharpe, which obviously makes no sense because you would not wear a scarf when it's sunny. So they need to pick ones that make sense. For you more able, you've got a on there in the star. So they could say, for example, quand il fait froid, je porte une écharpe et un manteau. That would be sensible, wouldn't it? To wear a scarf and a coat in the cold. Okay, that's your vocab for lesson 2.